Greetings, fellow traders. Bubba here. It's time for the daily market wrap for Wednesday, March the 17th, 2021. I hope everybody had a great trading day today and a happy St. Patrick's Day. This is brought to you by Positive Returns Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for education purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's check and see where we left off the market here today. So up 11 points and push over the over Bollinger Band here on the monthly chart. Weekly chart again, still getting followed through with that doji reversal. Daily chart, decent candle here today. Fresh all-time highs today, still off of the ADMA. So Fed Day ended up working pretty well there for Powell. So I got a little bit stronger, would have been great. I kind of were still in yesterday's range. It wasn't like a big breakout candle or anything like that, but decent volume came here into the close. So we'll see how that goes going into tomorrow. Say with the S&P futures again, really big move here today after the rate announcement was unchanged. Why did it go up so much on nothing changed? Well, basically there was a lot of thought out there that they were going to do some restrictive, more hawkish type moves. And the fact that they did what they did here today, I think just was a kind of just a pressure relief type stuff, or basically like a pressure relief, just a sigh of relief type thing. So we did see a nice bounce off of that, and there were some good retraces off there. So again, fresh all-time highs there, and on the MES, of course. So let's check the geometric levels going in tomorrow. Basically, on the upside, we just have price discovery up there if they decide to do that overnight. Otherwise, we have this geometric line to contend with, right, to look at. It looks like we got a pretty good congestion zone right here. I'll just go ahead and just kind of draw this for you here. Just kind of go through all that congestion, right? So just kind of see how that holds here through the evening, and we'll take a look at it later on the live stream. So good stuff there. Let's say with the Qs. So NASDAQ, again, big boost right here, and a lot of our big names, our go-to list names, were really strong here too. So I guess not raising rates is pretty good right there. GDP was good. He's talking about, people going out and spending. So again, buying Apple things, Apple products, things like that. So that's all good. So IWM got a nice boost off of that too. And the XLF was kind of interesting. Not really a big mover on the XLF here today. It's still not really convinced of the whole thing. It's actually triangulating going into tomorrow. So let's see how that goes. Could be pretty interesting. They didn't share in the exuberance today. But Apple did. And Apple had a really big push here today. Again, right before the Fed, we had some increased volume right here to get into the 15 orb. Right there, we had a nice pullback right here to the 382 to give an opportunity to get in on that. Tesla. So Tesla, again, lots of retraces on this one too. Even after the Fed right here, right, you can see just a opportunity here, right back to the 382 and a nice move up there as well. A Tesla, so good stuff there. Boeing, guys, this is one I pointed out in the public Twitter for everybody, just with some option flows. Some of the biggest flow I've seen on Boeing ever. Right, so it was really pretty impressive right here, and it wasn't, it came out right basically around noon, so right around this time. So we got a nice little buyable dip off this one, off of the 50% retrace from the recent lows. But man, this thing just really plowed through off of the Powell news, and then it had off of this pivot right here, it had a nice retrace too off the 786. And if you go to this retrace right here, you look for a cluster, right, and that was right off of this 618786 cluster, right. So that ended up being a really, really nice move there for Boeing. So ended up working its way up here. Plug was one that we had as an overnight idea last night in the group. It's right at the 618 right here, so kind of keep an eye on it, see how it goes, but that really turned into a fantastic overnight trade. UPST, Upstart. So this thing is way up here. That's on. They've got some acquisition news and some good earnings. So just kind of keep an eye on that one. See how it holds going into tomorrow. A couple ones that are on the bullish radar going into tomorrow. AAL held up pretty strong right there over the levels. Decent candle here today. I'd like to see a little bit more volume, but still pretty good there. Another one that looks interesting is Baidu. Nice engulfing candle here with increasing volume. I like this one. Keep this one on the bullish radar for tomorrow. Another one that had a good day today was Tiva. Another engulfing candle on that one. Big push here at the top of the cloud. So see if that continues to ride that cloud up. Another one strange, I know as it may seem, but gold. This had pretty much an engulfing day as well, right off of the 8 too. So see if that gets a move. And then just one to kind of keep on the radar is a really bearish down move here today on NRG NEJ. They had certainties had some issues with it, right? Or what was the news on it? Let's say one more time here. What they say? Due to certain uncertainties, right? So down out of the cloud here with increasing volume. So see how that goes on this NRG. Anyway, guys, good stuff. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Hope everybody has a great rest of your evening. We'll see you guys on the live stream tonight. Looking forward to looking at some more triangle magic. And until then, guys, stay healthy out there and remember your risk first and stay safe. See you soon.